My name is Michelle Batista. I am an owner and operator of a studio called Bella Faces Design Studio. We primarily focus on beauty treatments for men and women to give people a way to rejuvenate their skin. Well, I started my journey in the beauty industry in 2003. I started as a nail technician. My career kind of quickly evolved into more makeup services, and I went from doing nails in 2003 to doing bridal makeup and facials and a lot of advanced skin techniques, primarily working on faces, doing makeup, lash extensions, brows, eyeliner. It made sense to create a space that was known for making faces beautiful. What I love most about what I do is being able to give men and women a sense of confidence in their skin. Is really fulfilling to hand a client a mirror after they've entrusted you with their time and their hard-earned money to show them the results of a treatment, and have them be wowed. JetPlasma is a fairly new treatment in our industry today. This summer will be 3 years. JetPlasma is a new device on the market. It offers 3 different types of plasma in one device. You are getting JPlasma, cold plasma, as well as ozone plasma in one treatment. And the way in which it works is 13,000 volts of plasma flow through the tip of the device into the dermis, and it penetrates as deep as the subcutaneous layer of skin. The treatment itself is completely pain-free. The reason being is that the cold plasma that is also included in the technology cools the plasma flash down before it even reaches the skin. After a single treatment, there is an increase of elasticity in the client's skin by 14.8%. The treatment also continues to work under the surface for about 6 to 8 weeks after a single treatment.